Maymay Entrata update. Magkasama sila Maymay at Bokin Enriquez dyan sa US at nagsimba pa nga sila together. And after nila magsimba, nashoot pa nga nila o nag-selfie sila at kumain sila dyan sa US. Sa pa nga ng food, may talaga sila sa itlog. Masaya ang dalawa magkasama sa US. Yung pa nga yung IG story ni Maymay. Yung play yung Coachella Carpool Karaoke.
I pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot like two songs.
Umakanta pa nga si Joaquin.
Are you with me? In the cradle with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. I can help you get a move on like you all I know.
Manonood silang
You like to
Coachella
go slow.
Festival
We can go faster.
sa US.
Tell me the best word.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard in Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.